2 years ago, when I was buying the bike, I was very confused between getting an Interceptor or a Continental GT, as they both offer the same power but have very different ergonomics and handling. After a long research and considering my touring habits, I chose Interceptor over Continental GT, that is comfort over fun. But now that the world has changed drastically, my rides are short or just city commute. So at this point, I don't mind making my rides much more fun at the cost of comfort. So in this video, I'll try to amp up that fun factor by doing few changes to the bike. First, we will reduce the weight of the bike by removing all the touring accessories. Then a handlebar swap. So this handle is from MK Designs and this is a drag bar. So it is straight and does not have any height. It should sit 2 inches lower, making the riding position aggressive, in turn making the bike more sporty and fun to ride. In order to make these changes, I'll be using just the standard toolkit provided by Royal Enfield. No fancy tools needed. Enough of talking now, let's get on with it. As part of the first step, we'll be removing all the touring accessories as well as the mud flaps, both front and back. Now that we have reached the most complicated part of this build, that is removing the handlebar components, we have to be very cautious since we will be using the same components in our new handlebar. Removing the grips can be a little tricky, especially the left one. But if you use WD-40 or any oil, it will make things a lot easier. Once you put all the components onto the new handle, fitting it to the bike would be fairly simple. Here is the final look of the bike. The bike looks amazing right now, but let's see how it feels. As intended, the riding position has changed. We have to lean a little bit forward. Now let's see how it feels when I ride it. Let's go. This is amazing change. Guys, I must tell you, the bike feels more nimble now and it is not very far off from Continental GT. I think because we are leaning forward, I can feel a lot more bumps and potholes now. Yeah. I'm sure these changes are not good for long rides or off-roading, but it should be fairly okay in 100 or 200 kilometer rides. But for the city, this is perfect. I loved this build. So if you guys like it too, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Finally, I feel this build offers a great look for only 2000 rupees, and it should take you approximately 3 to 5 hours. And let me know what you think about this build. Until the next video, this is your fellow rider Samit signing off. Ride hard, ride safe.